Jerry.
Just have the phone back.
Hey.
It's my phone.
I'm on the street.
You listen, girl. I'll call
I'm
you.
on hello. Hey.
I'm in help.
I have help. Jerry.
No, listen.
A girl?
Listen to me. No, don't go back to us. Give me the phone back. Give me the phone back.
Hey, you do
I'm
not
not
touch
gonna
my
touch you.
phone.
Just give me the phone back.
Yes, Jerry. Hey. A street on Halifax.
Listen to me. No,
Hey,
no,
hey.
just shut up.
I like
Listen to
this
me.
girl, Jerry. I like this girl. Her name is.
My name's Adria. Listen to me.
Her name is
Come here.
Andrea.
Come outside the
Hey,
house.
hey.
Come here outside. I'm not hurting you. Listen to me for a second. Okay, listen to me. You're gonna get arrested real fast. Okay, listen. Can you get your shoes?
My father.
Hello. Andrea? Okay, yo,
Do not ever fuck Brad the way that you guys do tonight. Do not ever fuck.
Don't not touch it.
Do not ever fuck with me the way that you guys do tonight. Ever.
Fuck you. Get out of my fucking house.
There's a bunch of my guy friends. They're so nice. They won't do anything wrong. I just really need you guys to come back. I want to go to bed. Hey, I'm going. Girl, Andrea, this way.
Do not ever fuck with me.
Okay.
The way
I
you
will
did
be
tonight.
sure.
What are you
talking about?
Do not ever
No,
fuck.
girl, listen to me. They didn't do anything. No,
Hey.
listen. They're so nice. They didn't do
I
anything
know
wrong.
that they are. I know that
Seriously,
they
shut up.
are.
They didn't do anything wrong. They're so
Do
nice.
not ever fuck with me.
They didn't do anything
The
wrong.
way they are.
They didn't do anything wrong.
We gave you our phone.
They
Give me
gave
the
you a
phone.
phone call.
Give me the phone.
No, no, it's our phone. We gave it to you to let you use it.
The call.
You better fuck off,
You're gonna get arrested. I ain't gonna lie.
Andrea.
No, listen. It's okay. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Okay. Your dad's gonna come. He just told me he's gonna
Give me
come.
my phone.
I don't have your phone. I have nothing to do with your phone. I have no idea where your phone is. Yo, where's Jake though?
I know. Run after the car.
I want to give Jake back his phone.
We're all going
Yeah.
together. No.
No,
we
we're not
are
going
all
anywhere. You're
together.
fucking leaving
Andrea,
by
I'm not
yourself.
giving that phone to anybody but me.
No. What the fuck are
No.
you talking about? Whoa, whoa.
We're all going to fucking
Stop.
together. We're all going
Chill.
together.
What are you talking
Go,
about?
go, 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 go. Come here, come here, come here. Come here.
Andrea?
No, no, don't.
No, Andrea. We are not going together until I find a fucking cell phone.
I just told you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, again. I'm in the middle of the street.
Man, fucking cops suck.
Sit the fuck down. No.
Andrea. Andrea.
I'm gonna go with you. I'm gonna go with
Just
you.
let me go.
Do the cops just pass? What the?
Fuck more.
Call
At
it.
least.
You tried to, and then you got to the face, so I can't.
Andrea.
Do you want to go with the